And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Pay your surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your chin, or is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. A very young constellation, a teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star on a boulevard, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the sphere singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by those that praise control of population. Everybody's been there and I don't need no vacation. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake's out to a girl's guitar, that's just another good vibration. And tidal waves couldn't save the world from Californication. Pay your surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Sicker than the rest, there is no test, but this is what you're craving. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore.
awiting ang kanta, awiting maaari rin kung may kasama. Tambol mo ay butas na lata. Sa bayan ng sibol ang bawat pasada, huminga ng malalim at sabay ang buka. Kapag una at handa na ang lahat, sabay-sabay ang pasok sa bagsak ng paa. Heto na, heto na, heto na. Dubi-dubi-du, bidubi-du, dubi-dubi-du, bidubi-du, dubi-dubi-du, bidubi-du, dubi-dubi-du-bidu. Mahirap gumawa ng kantang makata, magulay na tugtugin at pananalita, at kapula-pula na parang dambuhala, mga boses na nagpapabago. At meron din namang nagpapaboses bata, matataas ang tono'y hiling ay mahaba. Binubulong sa hangin ang bawat salita, kapag naririnig mo'y nakakatuwa. Heto na, heto na, heto na. Dubi-dubi-du, bidubi-du, dubi-dubi-du, bidubi-du, dubi-dubi-du, bidubi-du, dubi-dubi-du-bidu. Hindi naman kailangan boses mo'y maganda, basta't may konting tono madaling makanta. Kung medyo sintonado ay hayaan mo na, ang nais lang ng tao ay ang konting saya. Ihanda ang tropa at tambol na lata, kaskasin mo ng mabuti ang dalang gitara.